Hey everyone, thank you for tuning into Crypto ZX. If this is your first time coming onto the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right into today's content. Looking at the overall markets, we are starting to see a little bit of green across the board over the last 24 hours. But as far as the overall market is concerned, we're still on the bearish end of the spectrum, and this should not be ignored. But today, guys, I want to look further into Algorand and see what's happening with the price of Algorand and where are we going in the immediate short term. Looking at the price of Algorand right now, currently trading at 24.5 cents, up 3.8% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also up 1.9% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Market cap is currently sitting at $1.74 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 56.5 million. So right off the bat, we are seeing a little bit of green across the board, especially over the last 24 hours for the price of Algorand, which we'll definitely take. But what are the next targets that we should be looking at? And is this a fake out, or are we actually headed towards the upside? But let's get right into the charts. But before I begin, as always, just wanted to give you guys a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. Looking at the overall time frame, you guys can see the price is still below this major level of resistance, which is around that 43 cents mark. But now I want to deep dive and see what's exactly going on in the shorter time frame and where are we going in the immediate short term for the price of Algorand. Looking at the price right now, I have zoomed in a little bit and you guys can see what has happened. Very interesting things are happening with the price of Algorand over the past few hours. You guys can see yesterday when I made the update, we were hovering around here and I said we could possibly see the price of Algorand retest this level of support at that 21.69 cents mark, which again dates back to all the way. This level of support dates back to all the way to 2020. So almost 2 years ago, this more than 2 years already, to be quite honest. And we are retesting these levels since then. But something very interesting has happened. We are seeing a little bit of bounce back towards the upside. And if I do bring out the measuring tool for you guys, if you picked up some Algorand around that 22.7 cents mark, you are already up about 7%. So that is definitely something nice to see. But now comes the question, is the price headed back towards the upside? And are we really about to see this upwards trend form back above this level of resistance as we go further into this World Cup? Is this a possibility? It definitely could be a possibility, but right now we should not be getting super excited right now. And I will tell you why. Because of the fact that Bitcoin right now is the main factor. We are starting to see this formation form in altcoins, especially over the last 24 hours. We are starting to see a lot of green across the board. But again, as I've mentioned, nothing to be getting too super excited about. But one thing interesting is happening for the price of Bitcoin. We are forming a second daily green candle right now in the charts. But again, we should not be talking or getting bullish until we do get at least in the 78.6 zone. And again, 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level is still not where the price of Bitcoin needs to be. But right now, this is what's happening. And if the price of Bitcoin does get back into the 78.6, I am very confident that Algorand is going to follow the overall trend, and we could possibly start seeing these level of prices around this range. But again, we do need to keep in mind we do not have that much buying pressure. So that's one thing. One other thing I want my Algorand family to keep in mind, and that is, right now, sure, we could overall, if the price of Bitcoin were to go back into the 78.6 zone, we are obviously going to see Algorand make an upwards trend. But could we possibly see a more than 100% move? That I want you guys to keep very close attention on. Remember, the overall buying pressure is not there right now because of the fact that the overall hype leading towards the World Cup, the FIFA World Cup, has died down. But maybe they do have some news that's coming out. If they announce it on the upwards trend, that could really impact the price of Algorand. So very exciting times ahead for the next few days. But again, this could be a fake out for the price of Bitcoin. So I have close eyes on Bitcoin, and then I will keep you guys covered. But so far, so good. We will definitely take a 9% move towards the upside. But again, we do need a little bit of more confirmation for us to really start getting excited. But do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Come join the Crypto ZX army. The goal is to reach 100,000 subscribers in 2023. And I need each and every one of you guys to come and join the ride. I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all the support. And I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.